Good morning, girls and guys. This is Boris Gelfand again, real estate broker in the state of Florida and New York. Guys, I would like to show you very attractive apartment for very low price. This is Winston Tower 100 in the middle of Sunny Isles. We're on the 16th floor with a north view. Apartment, guys, is very nice, and view is incredible. This is the ocean. It has intercoastal views. You have the boats over. This is a view of Sunny Isles. We're in the middle of Sunny Isles. This is 174 and columns. There is ocean. Guys, apartment has large balcony, which is facing north. Facing north is, again, it's Florida, it's hot. So a lot of people want to be facing north because it's not really hot in the morning and not evening. So this is actually converted apartment from one bedroom. It has two full bathrooms, but again, originally it was one bedroom. Kitchen updated. Again, it's a decent condition. I cannot tell you it's modern and yesterday it was done, but again, it's livable condition. But guys, price $259 only. Asking price $259,000 US. It's 2.2. It could be great for vacation home. It could be good for the investment. Again, everything in a really good shape. So basically, you don't need to make any big improvements if you don't need it. Again, if you want to update it and make it modern, yes, you can. But for now, it's a very attractive condition and size 1,100 square feet, which is good for family. This is a view from the small bedroom. Again, small bedroom doesn't have closet, but again, you can add it. Regarding living room. Living room has big size with a, like I said, exit to the balcony. It has mirrors, which is possibly to remove it because it's, again, an apartment not updated yesterday, like I said before, but again, everything in really good shape. A price aggressively low, it's $259 to fast sell, and I think it's a great deal to have apartment for $259 in Sunny Isles. It's really low, and it's priced for one bedroom. But again, apartment in good shape, so you don't need to spend any money for improvements. You can rent it if you want. You can rent it for $1,900, $1,950 to be investor. Because again, maintenance is all. It's a lot of closet space. Again, it has one parking spot assigned, so you don't need to worry. You can leave your car if you're not here. And it's view. This is view which can beat any million price apartments because view it's gorgeous. And again, like I said, this is north side, so it's not hot. We're in the morning now, 9 morning, so you can sit on the balcony, drink coffee, and enjoy all views. Ocean and intercoastal. So here it's going to be now lined with the big, huge boats. So this is Sunny Isles, and apartment on 16th floor, Winston Tower 100. Guys, feel free to ask me questions. I would be glad to answer to all of them comments. Sign for our channel. All the time we have something interesting. Again, I'm trying to find the best deals. I don't do videos if it's not good deal. So basically, this is a very attractive deal. Apartments in this building, medium price is around between $270 to $290. Again, this is 16th floor, gorgeous view. My phone +1 646 431 8072. You can use WhatsApp, Viber, visit our website www.gelfandrealty.com. Guys, see you soon. Thank you.